Wow, I have a tired arm from drawing all those stars.
Counting large numbers of objects helps children learn about our place value system. Jonathan responds confidently when Carol asks how to count the stars.
What shall we do?
Count by tens.
Okay, and how will we do that?
Just circle 10 and then say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Jonathan, I'm going to ask you some questions that are going to help me understand what you know about math. So what I'd like you to do first is take this cup of tiles and just spread them out on the table in front of you. And then I'd like you to do is arrange them so they're into groups of 10. And I'd like you to count out loud so I can hear what's going on in your head.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You don't have to worry about them. You don't have to worry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's great. And you have enough to make another group of 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And so you have two groups of 10. How many extra tiles do you have?
4.
4. Do you know how many tiles there are altogether?
I'll count them.
What were you starting to do there, though? You can do it out loud so I can hear.
10, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24.
24. Can you write that number 24 kind of big on the paper for me?
20?
24. So you wrote the 4 first, but you knew the 2 were there. Let me say, you have 24 tiles here. Suppose I said to you, I only want you to have 16. How many tiles? How could you solve the problem of taking some tiles away so you only have 16 left? And I want the extra ones put back in the cup. How are you going to do this? So I just want 16 tiles out here.
16 tiles?
Mm-hmm. Great. Can you write that under the 24 just as big as you wrote the 24?
16?
16.
1, 6, 4, 6.
Well, 16, what do you think? What's going on in your head? Tell me, because I need to... What'd you write? 16, yeah, that's right. And you wrote a 1 and a 6. Can you show me with the tiles what the 6 means when you write the 6 in a number like this? You can use those tiles, because there are your 16 tiles that we have all together. And this is the number for 16. So what is the 6? Show me with the tiles what the 6 means.
6 means...
You use these tiles here.
Okay. Okay, what do you mean?
Well, I'm interested as to how do you know to write a 1 and a 6 to mean 16. So I thought maybe you'd start by telling me what does the 6 mean, and what does the 1 mean, and how to come together that means 16.
Well, sometimes in my reason, in like the star thingy, my reason is you put it in tens, and then you count tens, and then there's some left over. So, like the probably the right side of the thing means the ones that are left over, and the other side means how many tens.
Let's try it and see. So how many are left over there?
Left over here.
No, left over in the number on the right side. If you put this into tens, and do you have any leftovers with the 16?
Probably.
What do you think? How many leftovers do you think you'd have?
Maybe 3 or around there.
Try it and see.
10.
And how many leftovers?
6.
Yeah, see, that's what I thought when you said those over there, you meant that number over there. See that number over there, 6? That's how I knew there were going to be 6 leftovers. I thought about that.